Going to the 4th of July here.
Open this thing.
Open your mind for a crazy drive. Winging down the trails at 100 miles an hour.
Ryan said he will take care of those bees for you.
What's going on? There he is. Yeah. Pimp Daddy. I think he gets confused when there's no light. Thinks it's like the lens. It's called the lens cover was closed.
Oh, look at that one guy ready to go.
Yeah, saw that.
Wow. That thing's going. Yeah. Wow, they're like going everywhere.
Oh my god! I like the ones with all the colors.
Yeah.
Like that rainbow one, did you see it?
These have all been like badass.
Yeah. Oh, that one reminded me of the princess.
These are like better than the ones you see at some like fucking college shows. This is like the grand finale of them. Those are like whatever the hell those are. Get those next. Yeah. I can't believe I missed this last year. They're like, you know what?
Asians are good for something besides math.
Dan's just walking around.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Fucking already beat up the shit. Falling off his four-wheeler. Fucking bruises all over.
He has no fear.
No. Dude, there's more!
There's more!
That one was cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that one was awesome.
Oh, that was sweet.
That's like my favorite one.
That's a good one.
Shit, that car pulled in so they could walk.
Did they? That's cool, dude. I won't look.
Oh man! Wow!
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
She brought that cooler down
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just kind of dropping by.
Yeah, a couple minutes.
Oh man.
Fucking Roman candles.
Who the hell's going? Oh, they're lying to me.
That's Mikey, I guarantee it.
It's just going up as a big one.
And there's Dan too.
Yep.
Side by side.
The ones with the death wish.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's kind of low.
Yeah, straight down. Dude.
Holy
Yep.
shit.
Dude. Oh my god, they're all over the place. The coolest.
We got a trifecta.
just like does like 3 different things.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God, it's good.
Nice.
God's good.
Nice.
Raised me, but I definitely felt that.
It's gotta be down there.
Yeah, all those were so low. I was just
Yeah, dude, they were coming right at us. Did you find it? I felt it hit me and it went back.
Yeah, it definitely no. I think it'd be back over
Check
here.
the other side.
I related. Did you find it?
Yeah, it's fucking 2.
Is that what?
That's at least it wouldn't hurt you though. I don't think.
No.
No. Oh, they turned their lights off.
Those are kind of cool.
Halftime show.
We're just setting up fire. Damn. Those are spam.
There's a car. Look at that.
Right there, 2 feet
Woo!
away
Yeah.
from him. That's like 10 feet away from the
Yeah,
fire.
that's Dan.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Wow.
In there.
Oh yeah. That car looks like they're in the ditch.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna hit me.
I know. Watch it. Watch out.
I love those ones that
There's a lot going on there. Uh-oh.
here we go.
Yep, this is more important.
I hope he's lying.
He better be the
Yeah, if that's the case, wow, they went through those really fast.
You think you still got a little bit more, Mark?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, sometimes like 10 of them come out of the same tube.
Yeah. That's the thing, that they rig them up so they just keep going and going.
Yeah, it's all from the same line. Somebody's going over there with the flashlight.
Well, it's like on fire over there. Okay.